very good evening to all of you. In fact, it's really, when I was looking at the panel, it really feels good that it's a fantastic mix of people who are coming from various sides of this industry. We have people, coming from the government. We have people like me who are from the consulting side, and we have people who are from the technology and infrastructure side. So hopefully next 30 to 35 minutes, you'll be able to gain some insights in terms of what's happening in the e-governance space. I was listening to some of the speakers since morning, and one of the things which occurred to me that I've been coming to Lucknow for last few years now. So this may be my 15th or 16th visit to the city. And one thing which I have realized is that the way the city and the state has changed in terms of adopting to technology and having e-governance as part of their way of working, I think is quite significant. More so, I think in last 24 to 26 months, we have seen huge amount of new initiatives, large number of initiatives which the state has taken. In fact, morning session, those who were there would have heard about this laptop project. So we feel very proud to be part of that because, it's a completely different kind of engagement, I would say, at that scale. And I think somebody also mentioned that it's the largest, right? It's the biggest procurement in the world, right? So 15 lakhs laptop, and then we're not stopping here, we're talking about taking it to the next phase. Right. So it is really a significant, I would say, learning for us also and my team to be part of some of those initiatives. So obviously, Amod ji mentioned about some of those e-governance projects which the state is doing. One of the things, you mentioned about 1.5 crore transactions, and I think I was reading somewhere it says that I think you're the fastest state to reach 1 crore. So in terms of taking it to that level, so I think that way it shows significantly in this August 2012 to maybe November, almost 16 months, you have reached that target of 1 crore, which is really quite significant. Many of the states are talking about DBT. Many of the states are talking about having e-scholarships. Many of the states are talking about all those RTOs and various kind of projects. Thankfully, UP, they have all these kind of